Vsmile is our one-stop supplier for all your dental product needs. We provided top-quality materials and equipment for your dental lab. Our products range includes Zirconia blocks, long-life mini tools, Vsmile, glass ceramic, and digital equipment. As a leading manufacturer of Zirconia blocks, meanwhile, we offer high efficiency and high quality equipment products to meet our customers' needs. The 5-axis mini machine C512W carries the iconic Tools logo. Blue represents the on-off key and the right represents the auto photo. The USB interface is connected to the import NC. Aircraft-grade cast aluminum frame. 2 types of clamps can be interchangeed and electric trunking, ensuring precision and stability in all details. With an ultra-high speed of 16,000 RMP, whether it's glass ceramic, composite resin, premium abutment, wax, PMA or PEEK. The C512W handle is easy. The machine comes with a 12-inch screen, a 2-level with 12 customizable burrs. Additionally, the servo model and the C-type clamps ensure an efficient and precise processing experience. Breakpoint continuous processing, automatic tool setting, large angle processing, automatic calibration of burrs, remote control of cloud panel 4, online transmission of NC fields online, and other functions. Personalized color customization, automatic doors. C512W will meet your diverse needs. We offer 1-year warranty and lifetime maintenance, along with online training and on-site installation. Our team of professional engineers is available 24/7 hours to provide it after sale. Elevate your dental care routine with our premium products. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey to healthier smile.